Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo F29 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Just like Samsung's devices, you can also use the circle to search feature in this smartphone as well. You just have to tap and hold the middle button like this, and then it will enable the circle to search. Now circle the thing you want to search, and then it will search it for you on the Google. So you can use this feature while scrolling your social media application. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can also resize it and swap it like this from the middle. When you are on home screen, it feels really uneasy to reach at the corner and open these applications. But there is a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Then you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Select this one and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from the either side like this. Then it will bring all your application around your thumb. And then select the app you want to open, then it will open the app for you. You can remove unnecessary object from your images with the help of AI in this smartphone. Open the image you want to edit and then click on this edit button. Select AI editor. Here you will see the option of AI eraser. Select that and then circle the object you want to remove. After that, it will scan the object and then automatically remove that object. As you can see in the before and after, it works really good in this smartphone. So you can use this feature to remove anything or any person from your images. Now in same AI editor feature, you can also unblur your images or remove reflection and enhance the clarity of your image with the help of AI. You can also enable double tap to wake your screen up and double tap to lock your smart feature. Tap and hold on the home screen, select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock. Now scroll down and then enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. Now you can scroll your social media application without even touching your smartphone with the help of AI scroll feature. Let me show you how it works. Simply open YouTube, Facebook, etc. Then open this smart sidebar and then click on this AI scroll. Now show your half palm like this to scroll up, and then you can swipe up like this. Now if you want to scroll down, then show your full palm like this and then swipe down. So you can swipe up and down while using Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. without even touching your smartphone with the help of this AI scroll feature. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures. Let's talk about them one by one. Open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gesture and motions. Select screen of gestures. If that is disabled in your smartphone, firstly enable screen of gestures. Now here are a lot of options. The first one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O, then it will open your camera application. The second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your music when your phone is locked. Simply enable this. Now you can play your previous song by drawing this, play the next song by drawing this, and play and pause your music while drawing this. So you can control your music player when your phone is locked with the help of these gestures. You can open your favorite application after drawing any of these letters. To customize that, firstly enable this and then tap on this, select open an app. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite application. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw that alphabet, then it will directly open that application. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar, as you can see. When you are on home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top and open this control center and notification center, but there's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen, select more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen, select this one and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area like this, then it will open your control center and your notification center as well. You can customize your locked screen and make it look really cool. To do that, open your settings and then select wallpaper and style. Select more themes. Here you have a lot of options. You can also search online themes, otherwise select any of these. Now you can further customize that. You can change the clock style, you can change the font, you can add different widgets, you can even change the color of that. After that, click on apply, and that's how you can customize your locked screen and make it look really cool. There's a feature called AI summary in the smartphone. So if you're a student, then this feature can be really helpful for you. You can summarize your lectures with the help of AI. Simply open the recorder app. Here I have a recording on leadership. Tap on that and then click on summarize. Click on agree and continue and then select the language in which you have the audio and then click on start. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the summary in textual form of that recording. Here, as you can see, I have the summary of that recording. So if you're a student, then this feature can be really helpful for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Select gestures and motions and then enable this turn on or off torch with volume button. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and updates. Select system navigation. Now here you can change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to select gestures, then select gesture navigation. Click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. This phone comes with AOD and with really cool styles. To customize them, open your settings, scroll down and then select wallpaper and styles. There you will see the option of always on display. Firstly, enable always on display. Here you can see you have really cool looking styles. Select any of these. Now you can further customize them. You can change the color, change the style, etc. After that, click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style on your locked screen. You can use the translate feature to translate anything, whatever you have on your screen. To do that, open this sidebar and there you will see the option of screen translate. Tap on that. It will detect the language and then change it to your selected language. If you want to change it, then select whatever you want it to translate, and after that it will translate it to that language. So you can use this screen translate feature to translate whatever you have on your screen. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings and then select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable that, then it will turn all the whites into blacks, as you can see. So this feature will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second feature is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable eye comfort. It will warm the color of your screen little bit, as you can see. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. If you are not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your home screen, then tap and hold on the home screen, select more, select home screen and then select standard. Click on apply and then click on switch. It will take few seconds. After that, it will bring all your application on your home screen and disable that app drawer. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. Enable this smart charging. So what it does that it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of this feature, you can increase the life of your phone's battery. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use this smart sidebar. If you will open any application from this, it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it. You can also minimize it. You can keep on using your smartphone normally, and whenever you want to open that application, then simply tap on that. It will open it for you. So you can this feature to multitask in your smartphone. And if you want to edit your smart sidebar, then open your smart sidebar, click on edit. Here you can remove unnecessary application from here and then add your favorite application. After this, click on done. If you will long press your power button, then it will launch the voice assistant instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as voice assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time to launch your power menu. Now you can easily use your smartphone even while you are wearing your gloves. To enable that, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience and then enable this gloves mode. Now you can interact with the screen while wearing your gloves. You can also clone any application in the smartphone. Open your settings, select apps and then select app cloner. Click on agree and continue. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app and then enable create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone of that application. As you can see, I have 2 Facebooks now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo F29 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.